If you love French fries but are trying to stay away from fried foods, this is the perfect recipe for you. It's made in an air fryer, so you get the same taste and texture as if it was fried, but without any unhealthy oils. It's so easy and simple and packed with flavor. We also explain the difference between organic and non-organic potatoes. You'll fall in love with this recipe, guaranteed.
Cut the ends off of the potato.
Lay down 2 skewers on the table with the potato in the middle.
Thinly slice the potato vertically using the skewers so you can only go halfway.
Flip the potato over and slice diagonally.
Soak in cold water for a few minutes to remove the starch.
Slide the potato onto your skewer and fan it out. It might take a few tries until you get it right. If you're having a hard time, you can place it in the air fryer without the skewers.
We use the whole potato, nothing goes to waste.
In a bowl, combine 4 ounces of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, smoked paprika powder, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasonings, and pink Himalayan salt.
With a silicone brush, cover your potatoes with the seasonings.
Now into the air fryer at 450 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes.
Feel free to add some organic mixed cheese or Parmesan cheese 1 to 2 minutes before it's done.
Let us know if you've made fries in an air fryer before.
Also, make sure to check out this video where we made potato chips in the microwave. We also talked about the difference between organic and non-organic potatoes.
Did you know potatoes are considered part of the dirty dozen?
Dirty dozen? What's that?
They have more pesticides per weight than any other vegetable, even after washing and peeling. They are grown underground, which means that they soak up all the pesticides, like a sponge. So when you guys don't buy organic potatoes, this is what you're eating.
Wait, really? But that's chemicals and very dangerous.
That's why it's so important to get organic products. And the best part is, they don't even cost much. They're like at every single supermarket. This is the perfect side dish or snack. It's soft and fluffy on the inside and crispy on the outside. This is a game changer. It's easy, healthy, and fun to make.
If I can do it, you guys can do it.
We have the Amazon link for the air fryer in the description.